Look up at the night sky. The moon hangs there, silent and silver. To us, it seems unchanging, a constant companion in the darkness. But appearances are deceiving. This silent sentinel holds secrets that rewrite the history of our own world. This is a rock. To most people, it looks like a dusty piece of gravel. But this specific rock is a thief. It stole 400 million years of history that we thought was lost forever.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
December 1972, the Taurus Littrow Valley, a place of stark beauty and deadly silence. Commander Gene Cernan and geologist Harrison Schmitt are driving their lunar rover across the dust-gray plains. They are the last humans to walk on this world. Suddenly, they stumble upon a sample labeled 76535. It wasn't just a rock, it was a pristine piece of the moon's original crust, a troctolite, untouched by the heavy bombardment that shattered most other samples over billions of years. When scientists analyzed it back on Earth, they were stunned. It's officially older than any rock ever found on our own planet. How is it possible that a piece of the moon is older than the Earth it orbits? Earth and the moon are roughly the same age, about 4.5 billion years. But Earth is a geological recycler. Its surface is alive, churning, and changing. Thanks to plate tectonics, wind, and rain, our planet is constantly melting its old crust and creating new rock. It's like a giant cosmic reset button, erasing its own childhood memories. The moon, however, is geologically dead. It doesn't have plates, volcanoes, or rain. It's a pristine vault, a museum that stopped changing billions of years ago, preserving the solar system's violent history. To understand this, we must go back to the beginning. Imagine the early solar system, chaos, violence. 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized body named Theia hurtled out of the darkness and smashed into the proto-Earth. The collision was cataclysmic. It didn't just break rock, it vaporized it. The energy released melted Earth's entire surface and created a glowing ring of molten debris that eventually coalesced into our moon. In the aftermath, the moon was a ball of fire, covered in a global magma ocean. As it cooled, the first crystals to float to the surface were these Pharaohan anorthosites, forming a white crust over the molten interior. Inside these ancient rocks are zircons, microscopic crystals that are virtually indestructible. They are time capsules. By measuring the radioactive decay of uranium into lead within them, scientists confirmed a shocking date: 4.46 billion years. This ancient history is why we are going back. 50 years after Apollo, the Artemis missions aimed to return humans to the lunar surface. But this time, we are going to the South Pole, into the permanent shadows. We are building a base camp, a gateway to Mars, but we are also going as detectives. By finding more of these ancient rocks, we hope to piece together the lost story of Earth's own violent birth. These rocks are the ultimate survivors. They have witnessed the birth of planets, the death of worlds, and the rise of life. They float in the vacuum, silent witnesses to our origins. The oldest thing you'll ever touch on Earth is probably a piece of the moon. It reminds us that we are part of a larger, more ancient story. If you could go back to see the Magma Ocean, would you? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.